Hello guys, I'm back with another video. So we are going to look at different types of techniques or setups that you can be able to at least to trade with it at forex market. So what you're going to realize is that forex have different types of conditions. You can be able at least to trade on different market conditions. So meaning that you need the types of setups that when the market presents itself in a certain way, you can be able to use the right strategy. So I'm going to share with you the support and the resistance. I'm going to share with you the low and the high of the day strategy, at the high of the week strategy, and then we are going to share with you the 20 moving average strategy, which you can be able to combine, and then at least you can be able to trade on any kind of the market. So right now you can see that there is a trades which are running, the trades which are running. Let's use the USD card and see how I actually enter this kind of a trade. So for instance, uh, you can be able to see that the market, I use the support and resistance, and then I use the supply area. So once again, I'm going to go on my line chart. So on my line chart, so once I go on my line chart, there, my line chart, you can be able actually to see that the market is at support. So at the support, and then when I look left, I really need to see the supply area. So I'll go back to the candlesticks, and then after the candlestick, now you can be able to see that on this area, you can be able to see that is where the supply comes in at this area. So then from that point, when you look at the line chart again, you can be able to see, you can be able at least to you can be able at least to see that there is an M pattern and 4 hours. You see, there is an M pattern. So that kind of M pattern together with the support and the resistance, then you can be able to enter a trade on USD card. So that is how I came up with this kind of a setup. Again, you can be able to see that there is the divergence. So this is from low to high. Sorry. And this one, you can be able to see that this is from high to low. So meaning that it was a kind of a confirmation that I want to be selling in this market, and you see when the market came into that zone, then the market had to go down on this kind of a supply area. So that's how I came up with this kind of a setup. So let's go to another pair, uh, which is now the Euro AUD. So the same case with the Euro AUD. When you go to the 4 hours, you can be able to see that the market had the supply area at this point, and then when you go to the line chart on support and resistance, you can be able to look and see now this is what the support and resistance at this point, and then you can be able to see, you can be able at least to go on candlestick there, and then you can be able to see when you go to the lower time frame, you can be able to see that the markets were going down. Then from this point, for you to enter the market, the line, the what we call the 20 moving average strategy, you can be able to see that how the market came. Then it tested this kind of moving average, then breaking here and testing again there. Those are the entry areas. Then that's why I use the line strategy for me to enter the market, either at the top or at the bottom, at the supply area, or at the or along the resistance at 20 moving average. And again, then there is something we call divergence there from high to low. Then you can be able to see the indicator here is telling me low to high. So, and then you can be able to see that the market had already made a lower low, had made a lower low at this point. It was a lower low here at this area. It was lower low. So the market had to come to this lower high, and then you can be able now to see the market is going downward to make another lower low. So those are the techniques that we have used. So we have looked at the 20 moving average, the support and the support and resistance, or the 20 moving average. And then we are going the last one on GU. On GU, you can be able to see that the market here, it was forming like it came to the low of the day. So at this point, so the low of yesterday was here, and so I was expecting that the market is going to come at this area again, and this area again there. Excuse me, this area again, and then the market, you can be able to see there is a false breakout here. False breakout, what it does, it form a W pattern, and then I was able at least to enter some position here. Can be able to enter some position here, and then I'm expecting this market to go up. That was the low of the day. Yeah, so have a very wonderful, guys. You can be able at least to learn all these at one and more deep at Pips Forex. You can enroll. We are going to leave my link there. You can sign up to the Live. You can open a live account with the Live. We can be able to trade. You can be able to trade even the EDCs, forex market on currencies. So cheer up, guys. Welcome. See you as you come to the Pips Forex. We love you guys. Bye. I'm out.